Hi there, it's Jason with AllTech Services. This is part 2 of our air filter series. We're going to discuss some of the different filter options that are available to you and their replacement routine. With our 1-inch pleated throwaway filter, I would recommend changing these every 30 days. What you can also do is with a marker or a pen, you can write the date on the side so you can keep track of it or keep it in a personal calendar. But these are good for 30 days. Moving on to our large 4-inch pleated media filter. These are good for 4 to 6 months. You can start to see we had the system running on this one for a while, so we're starting to get some discoloration. Once it starts to get that heavy gray, that 4 to 6 month period, I would suggest replacing these. And also, if you have one of our polarized media air cleaners, you start to see some discoloration on this as well. I would recommend replacing these every 3 months. To replace these, you simply undo the red latches after you've unplugged it, lift up, slide the old media out, dispose of this, and we have our new media here that you would slide back into the grid here, put your red tabs back, slide it back into your cabinet, plug it back in, and you're done for the next 3 months. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.